This video we will see the product review of Redmi 14C 5G smartphone. The Redmi 14C 5G is a budget-friendly 5G smartphone from Xiaomi's Redmi series. This smartphone is designed for people who want fast connectivity and a large screen without spending much money. This smartphone comes with a large display with a 6.88-inch IPS LCD with HD plus resolution, and it has 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. This smartphone comes with TUV Rainland certification for low blue light and flicker-free viewing, making it easier on the eyes. This smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, and it is good for everyday use and light gaming. This smartphone comes with 4 GB or 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, plus 6 GB virtual RAM for improved multitasking. And this smartphone has a micro SD card which support up to 1 terabyte for expandable storage. This smartphone has dual rear cameras, 50 MP main camera plus basic depth sensor, and it has 8 MP front camera for selfies. This smartphone comes with 5160 mAh battery with 18-watt wired charging, and the package include 33-watt charger. This smartphone runs Android 14 with HyperOS with 2 years updates and 4 years of security patches. The design of this smartphone is slim and elegant. Thickness is 8.22 mm. Weight is approximately 205 to 212 grams with glass back and round camera ring. This smartphone includes side-mounted fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock for security. This smartphone support 5G connectivity for faster internet speeds. This smartphone support different connectivity options like dual 5G SIMs, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and FM radio. This smartphone support splash and dust resistant, and it has IP52 rating, meaning it can handle some dust and light water splashes, but it is not fully waterproof. This smartphone has extra features like mono speaker, ambient sensor, compass, X-axis linear motor, and side fingerprint. What are the advantages of Redmi 14C 5G? Large and smooth display, great for watching videos and browsing. All-day battery life, 5160 mAh battery lasts long even with heavy use. 5G ready and fast chipset. Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 gives reliable everyday performance. Stylish build. Modern design and sturdy glass back, seen as premium in its class. Good daylight photos. 50 MB camera performs well in natural light. Expandable storage up to 1 terabyte and FM radio jack. Software support with 2 major updates and 4 years of security patches. What are the limitations of this smartphone? Slow charging. 18 watt is slower than competitors offering 33 watt or 53 watt fast charge. Low resolution screen. HD plus display looks less sharp on large 6.88-inch screen. Average low light photos. Selfies and night shots can be noisy or over smoothed. Competitors offer better storage. Some rivals have UFS 2.2 storage versus Redmi's lower eMMC 5.1. This smartphone has mono speaker only, no stereo sound, no NFC for contactless payments. What are the customers' feedback? First point is value for money. Many find it to be great product at its price point. Second point is classy and clean design. The glass back panel is frequently priced design element, making it feel more premium. Third point is good battery performance. Users highlight the long battery life, with some reporting it lasting more than 2 days for moderate users. Fourth point is large and clear display. The big screen size and clarity are often mentioned as positives for media consumption. Fifth point is smooth experience. The 128 refresh rate is appreciated for making daily scrolling and navigation feel smooth. Sixth point is decent daylight camera. Some users are satisfied with the camera quality in good lighting. In India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 9,999 rupees to 11,999 rupees based on RAM and storage configurations. In US, the price of this smartphone ranges from $120 to $133 based on RAM and storage configurations.